So this is what you see when you first enter our apartment. You have the kitchen over to the right, and then after the kitchen, you have the living area over to our left. So we love how deep the seats are because sometimes we could just relax out here or work out here and chill out. We even had a friend sleep over here, and so out here is really helpful because this is an area that we didn't have in our last apartment. Over here we have our little planning corner where we plan out our Instagram and YouTube content. So this helps to keep us organized, and it's kept right on the side of where we usually work. Over here we have a flat screen TV, which is helpful for when we want to watch Netflix or movies or sports. And then we like this shelf, so we usually keep our notebooks here and some of our camera gear and remotes. Over here we have like our incense corner, because it's hard to find candles here, so we burn incense and Palo Santo.
Alright, so this is the kitchen area. You have a drain pan here, utensils here. We have the cutting boards that we bought, and the one that the Airbnb came with. Open concept of serving, so you have a floating shelf, some fruit and vegetables here, dishware, glasses, plates, some seasonings on the top, and it's I would say this is indigenous to Mexico. A little countertop stove with 3 burners. Came with a coffee maker, a blender, toaster, and some pots and pans. And then this is where we store the stuff that we would use frequently. And then below here is where we have our overflow stuff like crackers, some other seasonings, pasta, dried beans. We have some cereal in here, some more rice, chips, and other things in there. And here we have our reusable bags that we go shopping with, and some grits and garbage bags. It came with a microwave, which is a plus, so when you have any leftovers, you can easily heat it up either in here or on the stove, so you have that option. And then I would say the only downside is having a mini fridge. In our last place, we would have had a full length fridge, but with this one, it's smaller, so that means you would really have to keep your inventory tight in terms of not buying too much groceries and it going bad on you. So you really have to watch what you buy. But we've been able to manage, and nothing is really wasted on us. So
we keep our 20-liter or 5-gallon water bottles by the refrigerator because the water isn't safe to consume here. So we drink and cook with these, and also wash our fruits and veggies.
So this is our dining table where we'd usually have breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and we only need 3 chairs to back us against the wall. And when we would work, we would normally just transport this in the front of the lounge chair. If we have friends over working, 2 of us will be on the couch and then the others will be in the chairs. So that's a plus, being able to convert that into a bigger workspace, so to speak. Now we move on to the bedroom and the bathroom. To the right is the bedroom, and to the left we have the bathroom.
We love that this apartment comes with a comfortable king-size bed, which is pretty rare, especially here in Mexico. So here we have our closet area. We have a good amount of storage. To the top, they gave us extra pillows. We keep our traveling backpacks here, and we keep a little extra stuff up here. This is our iron that came with the apartment. Here we keep our clothes. On the second shelf, we keep like everything we need to get ready every day, and then we have a little bit of extras to the bottom. So we have extra towels and just some little knickknacks to the bottom. We just hang our towels, our showering and pool towels. And to the bottom here we keep our laundry bag, and we also have a bin to the corner here. And on this side we have a mirror. It's not a full length mirror unless you step all the way back, but we're grateful we have this. And we just hung the dreamcatcher here that we bought from Tulum Avenue from one of the little boys who go around selling these. One more thing I want to show y'all is that you can control the lights from here, the side lights as well as the baker light. So we both have our own lights over our nightstands. We also have AC in the bedroom as well as in the living room. So this keeps the place nice and cool. We also have these shades in our bedroom that we could just lower using this chain. So that's great. Sometimes I just leave it halfway up to let a little bit of light in the morning, and then sometimes I just put it all the way up and open up the windows to let some breeze in. If you want to let minimal light in, you could lower it all the way and almost have like a blackout effect. So if you want to sleep in late and don't want the sun to wake you up, you just leave it all the way down.
So we keep a yoga mat, some resistance bands, and a jump rope whenever we decide to work out. We can either just roll out the yoga mat inside or outside, and the jump ropes are outside, of course.
For $600 a month, this apartment comes with a pool, lots of space to chill, work, or host, and free bike rentals, which is one of the most popular ways to get around Tulum. It also includes all utilities, so power, internet, cable, water, and it is air conditioned, which is a need in a place like Tulum.
All in all, we love this apartment. It fits all of our needs while providing a little bit of luxury for an affordable monthly price.